How are you guys doing today? We are back for another third day in the week. I know you guys enjoy seeing my face, but I wanted to kind of go over with a new opportunity with you guys, and it's called Winware Research. So it's basically you can join and get paid for your expertise. You can review marketing, collateral, websites, and short demo videos about products targeted towards you and answer a few survey questions. Total commitment is 5 to 10 minutes, and you can earn anywhere between $30 to $600 for 5 to 7 minutes of your time. So go ahead and sign up. As you know, join the panel of business professionals who provide feedback for cash incentives. Now, one of the thing about it is, before we go any further, is it needs you to sign up with your LinkedIn because it's a business model, and basically they want different businesses to give their opinions about the different products that this particular company is either marketing or just wants to improve on. So it's very important that you sign up with your LinkedIn profile. And I know if you don't have a LinkedIn profile, it's very important that you do have one. So you can go ahead and go to linkedin.com. And you don't need to follow instructions for that because that's very simplistic. Your name, your email, your address, all that good stuff. You sign up with the LinkedIn, and boom, you have a LinkedIn. And you can come back on here and go ahead and sign up with LinkedIn. And obviously, if it has, an existing LinkedIn that's already connected to it, then you can just go ahead and sign in. So it's really easy to sign up. Just go ahead and, just sign up for it because it can hurt you, to go ahead and do that. But that is what I want you to do. Um, just go ahead and, just sign up. Um, just sign up for it and just click on ahead and sign it back up. It's going to ask you a lot of questions here. Would you like to share your profile? And you can just say allow. Um, then it's going to, one last step. Please enter your LinkedIn profile URL, and you can just go ahead and do that. And then once you sign up from it, it's going to take you, it's going to take you back, and then you can have an account created for yourself. But it's really important that you sign up and your LinkedIn profile matches what you say that you're gonna what they're gonna ask you. So it's really important that it only takes 30 seconds, and you will get notified when a new survey matches your profile. Um, then step two, you will get notified when a survey opportunity matches your expertise. So basically, if they are trying to find, beauty influencers and your LinkedIn profile is you are a beauty influencer, then it's a match for them. You want to make sure you're a match for whatever research projects that they are enticing or that they want you to know about or that they want help with. If your LinkedIn profile doesn't matches with your answers, then you're not going to get qualified for that. So this is a relatively new research study, you know, um, opportunity that a lot of people don't really know about. Like I said, I try to stay ways to keeping you make new opportunities and make money and put money in your pocket because it's a lot of things on the internet that a lot of people don't know. Even me, I research these opportunities daily and just say, oh, that would be a good opportunity and that would be a good opportunity. But then sometimes it's like I'm skeptical of some of the things that you see online, as you should be too, as a human to human. So not everything is you're not gonna qualify for everything. But it's just really important that you do your own due diligence and research these opportunities and make sure that what they're saying is the truth. Because how do I know that they're going to actually pay me $30 to $600? How do I know that without actually going in and testing it myself? So I want you guys to use your own judgments and use your own assessment to actually see if this is legitimate or not. It's not enough just for me to tell you this is legitimate. You go in and you test it and you start doing things. That's the only way you're going to know that this is legitimate or not. But most of the times, things that I come on here that I've tested and I've done things for myself, these are legitimate opportunities. But every now and then, you might sign up for a project and the researcher will be like, doesn't want to pay you, or something's scammy, or something's off. So that's when you know to back out of that and never do it again. But as far as I know, these are legitimate opportunities. So you can go ahead and they even ask FIQ, how what do I need to sign up with? To join, you only need an active LinkedIn profile, and then it's asking somebody asks how much do I get paid. You get paid between $30 to $600 for each survey you complete. After watching a product demo, you will be notified of the exact incentive amount before you start the survey. And how do I get paid and when? You can choose between receiving gift cards or making charitable donations with your incentive. Gift cards are delivered within 72 hours of completing the survey. What do I need to do to get paid? You need to watch the full demo videos or company websites, and then answer a series of questions and provide your valuable feedback. Your insights are incredibly valuable to our clients. And then what do I do? What do these companies want from my feedback? Because you are a seasoned expert in your field, our clients seek specialized knowledge and skills to refine their marketing strategies and improve their products. Your feedback helps shape the future of the companies. What information about me is shared with the customer? You have the option to share your work email address with our customers if you are interested in the products or services. And then is where research legit? Absolutely. Our founding team boasts over 20 years of expertise in creating platforms that connect companies with expert feedback. So basically, they want your feedback on different products and different demos that they, might have promoted in different industries. So it's really important that you take your time to research all these things and make sure that your LinkedIn profile is up to date and it matches everything that they want you to do in the surveys, because it's important. If they find out that you lied about anything, just with anything, they can withhold your incentive. So I talked about that. If you're not legitimate, if you're not honest like they are, then they may not want you back in the program. So just make sure you're honest and truthful. But other than that, that's all I have. Money makers. Take care. See ya. Bye bye.